known as Helictos melanus, is the smallest bear species native to the forests of Southeast Asia. Recognizable by its sleek black fur and distinct yellow or white chest patch resembling a rising sun, it typically weighs between 60 to 150 pounds. Sun bears are omnivores, feeding on fruits, insects, small vertebrates, and honey. Their strong claws are adept for climbing trees, and they have a keen sense of smell. Unfortunately, sun bears face threats from habitat loss and illegal hunting for their body parts. Conservation efforts aim to protect these charismatic bears and their forest homes.